171 meters from side to side. And the regular official football soccer meet 110. 110 meters. Now, look, basketball. What's the size of the basket in a professional league? What's the professional? 3 meters and 80 centimeters. 380. The professional. And look at that ring. 8 meters high. And they have to pass right there another ball, 2.5 kilos heavy. A little bit bigger than the softball size. Caucho, that was the material. Stone rock. But without using an open hand. You are not supposed to touch a rubber ball with your open hand. You're going to use only 4 parts of your body. Shoulder, elbow, knee, and hip. And you have to pass through the captain. Only the captain is supposed to be on top. And the captain is going to pass through the ball to the ring. What happened? What happened if you touch by mistake the rubber ball with your open hand? No smoking, please. Federal. Look right here. Come right here. Get close right here. Look at this rubber ball shape. Look at this person. One of the captains is kneeling down here. But look, no head. And look at the other one here. He's standing up, holding the head from the hair and the knife. Of course, listen. Unfortunately, we don't have evidence of writing about this game. Because on 1562, 70 kilometers away from Chichen Itza, the Catholic Spanish conquistador, they burned more than 3,000 Mayan books 70 kilometers away from Roma. We don't have evidence of writing. That's why sometimes people get confused when they come here. If nobody told you about this game, you see this person kneeling down, no head, what are you going to think about this? Maybe he never put the rubber ball to the ring. He's a bad one. Because he's a bad one. But look. But look. If you go back.
Sama itse innertä turmauksesta. Sen taati rämmitte harjoituksen.
Like he was talking about because on that time you have to be the best. And who's the best? The one who passed the ball to the ring or the one who doesn't? That's why they say he's the best. According to you.
Pahariksi mä otan.